Halika dito, Gio.
Wow.
Rupa from Magical Gem siya. Nakalimutan ko may allergy ako, pinapilakad niya ako. Ay, ang ganda ng cake. Parang may patchy sa taas.
Yeah, the cake is inspired by the company color theme, which is London Blue. The London Blue color accented by pink, which is the pink of the rose quartz.
Yan. Gio, huwag ka mahiya. Gwapo ni Gio, mukha siyang bata, ba't isa ka? Yan, picture muna kayo.
Happy birthday!
Advance happy birthday, Rupa! Yan, Gio! Thank you! Siyempre si Gio po ay officer, right? Sa kanya galing ang body na. Oo, siya nag-a-approve. Yes. Okay, Rupa, what's your birthday message? Yan.
Thank you, Gio. Si Gio sumasama sa amin sa set ng Beauty Empire. Pag puyat ako, puyat din siya sa kakabantay ng mga alahas.
Sabi ni Rupa the other day, my gosh, 5 a.m. ako natapos, 5 a.m. din yung anak ng may-ari.
Si Gio, 5 a.m. din umuwi, kaya maraming salamat, Gio. I'm really so honored and proud to be a part of Magical Gems as their latest and their newest and their first brand ambassador, because I know that they're not only very kind people, they're very loving and generous, hardworking, and at the same time, I know that you have a long way to go in terms of creating more beautiful and exotic pieces for each woman or even men if they want, diba? It's for all genders, and I'm so happy with your success, and I hope and pray for a fruitful partnership. Thank you so much!
So,
more press cons to come!
Next week, makikita tayo. Sana invited kayo doon. Pero Mr.